for calling out now, or for crying out loud. It gets caught in my throat now, so I didn't make a sound. Raise a glass to you, and I drink to you. The words are mumbled and tumbled and muted and drowned.
So the Night Out scheme is an Arts Council scheme for village halls, community centres and any community group, and it's a way for them to afford to put on live shows. We'll pay the performer fee, and in essence they take back what they make at the door. When it's running full steam, there's over 500 shows a year put on by 300 plus different community groups every year. All sorts of stuff, lots of music, but theatre, circus, dance, you name it, there's a community doing it somewhere across Wales.
So don't give those moments away.
This is the first show that first event we put on since January 2020, I think it is, isn't it? I think that's the right January. It seems like forever. Talking to people in here and just talking to the musicians, the sound engineer, it just hasn't worked for 2 years. It's not just, it's been quiet, there has been no work. It's been absolutely disastrous for a lot of people. Seeing people come in, particularly here, we get a lot of people support the events in the hall, and they've got absolutely no idea what they're coming to see. And they come out and they say, "Where did you find that from? They were just amazing." That's the quality of music that's around.